In this video, I wanted to introduce you to the Set and Scale marketing engine and demonstrate one of the benefits that's available through it. So if we start with an understanding that marketing is the vehicle that's going to drive the growth in your business, then if you were to lift the bonnet or the hood of that vehicle, that's where you'd find the Set and Scale marketing engine. And it's a full marketing system that works across the three main phases of your marketing, from attract to convert and retain. And it provides a number of tools that work with each of those different parts of the marketing journey that will help you, support you, and save you time when marketing your business. So I'm going to start by looking at one of the elements within the Set and Scale marketing engine, and that is the social planner. And this will allow you to create and schedule your social media posts in advance. So if you're the type of person that likes to batch up your social media, perhaps you're going to do a week's worth of social media on a Sunday, ready for the next week, then this tool will allow you to schedule those so that they're going out every day. So we're going to start by looking at the social planner, which is one of the tools that's available to you through the Set and Scale marketing engine. It works in the attract phase, and it allows you to create and schedule your social media posts across all of your platforms from just the one single interface. So to set up, you pick the social media platforms that you want to connect to. We've got Google Business Profile in there as well. So select the ones we want to start. And then when we create a new post, we can choose from those that we've connected to which ones we're going to post to. So in this example, we're going to post to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So you select those there. You then write or copy and paste in the content for this particular post. Another time-saving tool is that we can have the content generated through AI. And in this example, you can create a brand voice so that every post that the AI tool creates is in the same kind of writing tone and the same target audience. It remembers these details. So when it writes its post, it's going to be friendly, clear, and jargon-free. And it's going to write the posts from the perspective that its target audience is local businesses. We select the language. That again shows here the type of tone of voice we're going to use. Here we tell it the key points that we're going to get across in this content, and then what we want to achieve, whether that's building awareness or driving traffic to our website. So we tell the AI what we're looking to achieve, and then we tell it how many variations of content we need. Because when we generate it, it's going to, in this instance, it's going to create 3 variations, and we will get to choose of those 3 which ones we prefer and which ones we're going to post. So that's AI content there. Images, we can select an image, upload from a media library, or again, we can have AI create the image for us. We'll upload from your PC, or maybe do something in Canva, you can upload. And so we're going to use that in our post. We can set where this post is going to appear, whether it's in our feed, our reel, or a story. We can do that for each of the platforms. And then just again on this side, if you wanted to write some different content for LinkedIn, because it's more of a business platform than these other two, which are social, then you can write content that resonates more with the LinkedIn platform rather than the more social platforms here. So we've got the post preview section there. We can see what they're going to look like on each of the platforms. And once we're done, we click on the post. Then we've got options now to post it now. We can schedule the post to go out later. If you've got somebody that's creating your social media posts for you, then they'd have access to the market engine as well. They would create the posts and they would send them for approval. Then you would get the chance to either approve or reject those before they were published. So that's what that particular section does there. And then you can set up recurring posts as well. So if you wanted a post to go out, the same post go out every month, then you can set that up from there as well. So yeah, pick where one you want and then click on post and that's done. Just going back and looking at a couple of other features that are available through this. We've got some templates here. So when you're starting out and you're stuck for content, then we've got these more pre-made social media posts that you can use for the different business niches or categories here. But with home services a lot, and you can see different for roofers, cleaning services, plumbing, all of those are available. And it's just a quick way to get started by using some pre-made templates. The approval section I mentioned, if someone's writing your content for you, you can have it approved before it goes out. And the final option there is that you can create all of your content in a file and then just upload. So if you wanted to create a month's worth of content, create it all in an Excel spreadsheet, save it as a CSV file, upload it, and then you can publish a whole month in one go. And then the platform also gives you access to the statistics from each of the platforms, so you can see where you're posting, what's resonating, your best performing posts, and then the target audience, who's looking at your posts, demographics, all of that's available through the statistics as well. So that's the social planner, saving you time in your day when you're doing your social posting. It's making life a little bit easier for you. And that's available through the Set and Scale marketing engine.